What up, Charlotte? I said, what up, Charlotte? I'm glad to be here, NC. They sent Club Tay Tay, to come and test me and see. No problem, because he about to test me and see. I'm hitting high and low. O versus the vampire, here's what you guys should know. If cuz say he blood, dollar stole. I'm leaving 5 below. They got the gun bar kick. They got the gun bar king versus the fun bar king. Picture that. When I draw, there's no explanation. When they made your gun, they didn't just stop making guns. We all live in a weapon nation. You know, guns are not for recreation, but what guns do is recreation. Your time is up. O got rocks in a row. Yeah, bitch, I lined you up. And for your big man, I took extra measures. That means I sized him up with ropes and chains. He's bound to restrain. You know, we tied them up. And since Rock wanna play paper scissors, go ahead and try your luck. Oh, Solo, I'll make them laugh, because they done cried enough. But you, like little boy's ass. That's who you try to cut.
Wait a minute.
Niggas think of this
shit. I hope that you achieve. Just know the early bird gets the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Okay.